Today's Bible verse comes from Proverbs chapter 31, verse 25 to 26, King James Version. Strength and honor are her clothing, and she shall rejoice in time to come. She openeth her mouth with wisdom, and in her tongue is the law of kindness. Proverbs 31, 25 to 26 describes a woman of noble character whose inner strength, dignity, and faith in God allow her face the future without fear. Her words are marked by wisdom, kindness, and constructive teaching. She is proactive, purposeful, and relies on God's rather than just outward beauty. Key themes in Proverbs 31, 25 to 26. Number 1. Strength and dignity. She is not defined by physical appearance, but by her inner fortitude, integrity, and godly character. Number 2. Fearless future. Because she trusts in God's guidance, she does not panic about what is to come, but approaches it with confidence and joy. Number 3. Wisdom in speech. Her words are not foolish or gossipy, but intentional, wise, and gentle. Number 4. Kindness in instruction. She teaches others with grace, reflecting love in her communication. Amen.